Hello people, I'm back for another video again. Well, in this video for me, I'm going to try to get no, trying to try and do and give you a very, very, very loud and big, long burp by drinking lots and lots and lots of water non-stop. And I'll fucking mean it. When I feel some pain in my belly, I will stop and I will try my very best to give you the best burp ever. Because I know for fact everybody is watching my burping videos and I'm so happy. Yeah. So, as you can tell, I'm in my bathroom. So, there's a back garden there and shower, bath. So, yeah, let's get the party started. Okay. Good. Bit cold. No. Cheers. Well, I need to fill it up first. Okay, here we go. One. Two. Three. Four. I think that's enough. That's better. Because I haven't done a burpee video since yesterday. Well, I mean, a pop-up burpee video. So, oh, God. I hope you like my burping, the best burping video, and please share. And know what? I will put my titles. I don't know. I will put share in my title of this video, so people can share my video to their friends and family, and so on and so on. You know, their friends and family who can share that, well, so on and so forth. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.